Well, howdy our people is. He's rather like, why in the world? I'm just down here making tea. I like to use the stove to get the water hot. There we go. A little brighter in here. I'm still coughing like a crazy lung situation going on here. It's like, I am not sure at all what the heck. I just don't get it. It's so funny. Let's see. Supposed to be getting a melt off this weekend. Or this week. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. It's not easy for me to do stuff like that. But anywho, praise God that this place, this kitchen, the stove, and the oven are clean. I love that. When things are clean. I wish I could clean the rest of the house though. But that'll wait. I know that soon I'll be able to do that. Yeah. Hello there. It's like, really? Like, I don't know what to make of you, human. You're just strange. What? What? Well, later, y'all, people is.